Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the PayPal balance section on your dashboard. From there, look for the Invest or Investing option. Click on it to explore the available investment options. You will see various investment platforms that integrate with PayPal. Select a platform that suits your investment goals and interests. Ensure that the platform is reputable and aligns with your risk tolerance. Once you choose a platform, follow the sign-up process if you're not already a member. You may need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. After signing up, link your PayPal account to the investment platform. This is usually done by selecting PayPal as your funding method during the setup process. Next, deposit funds into your investment account using PayPal. Check the minimum deposit requirements for your selected platform. Once your funds are deposited, start exploring the investment options available to you. Choose between stocks, ETFs, or other securities based on your research. Make your investment decisions based on your financial goals and market analysis. Confirm your investment and review the transaction details before finalizing. After you invest, regularly monitor your portfolio's performance. Consider setting alerts for significant market changes or portfolio updates. This will help you stay informed and make timely decisions. When you're ready to withdraw or manage your investments, return to your chosen platform. Follow their instructions for withdrawing funds back to your PayPal account. Remember to always stay updated with market trends to refine your investment strategy. That's how to invest with PayPal effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.